If you're a lawyer, call yourself patriotic, write to us in the comments section and we'll gang up and ask Facebook some tough questions. Now call me late to the party, but what the heck is Facebook up to? Welcome to FOMO, short for fear of missing out. I'm your internet scout Nano, and if this week was a book, I'd call it the Facebook. I mean, Facebook is treating us like fools, and not only have we fallen for it, some of us don't even realize it.
You're a fool!
But हम भी क्या करें? हमारे साथ धोखा हुआ है जज साहब कई साल पहले जब हम सुपर एक्साइटेडली ऑकवर्ड से फेसबुक पे माइग्रेट कर रहे थे. अपेरेंटली तभी फेसबुक ने हमसे हमारा डेटा चुराने की परमिशन ले ली.
ये क्या हुआ?
थैंकफुली वो जब कैम्ब्रिज एनालिटिका के बारे में पता चला, पूरी दुनिया की अदालतों ने मिलकर मार्क ज़करबर्ग की ले ली. So that's kind of a relief. पर उतने में फेसबुक के जिगर को ठंडक नहीं पड़ी. So Facebook went ahead and signed an agreement with 60 smartphone companies and started handing them over our data. At the risk of being sued, I would like to say, Shivoham, what have they done? Which basically means your information like when were you born, where do you work, what is your political inclination. You could probably stop calling all of that your personal data. Facebook claims that none of your information is on the servers, it all remains on your phone. But tell me something, Facebook. So if my information that you're sharing is for me, then why are you sharing it with other companies? Just let it remain where I intend it to remain, which is Facebook. And to make that even better, Facebook has acknowledged this new software glitch which has hit 14 million users, which apparently just automatically changes your private posts to public.
No.
And finally, situation ko bad se badtar banate hue, there are users who reportedly claim that Facebook has been showing them adverts of things like palm reading, smartphones, sandwich makers, after they had that exact conversation in real life. Washington has sued Facebook for data breach, और यहाँ Facebook owned WhatsApp has become world's biggest platform for fake news. It's hilarious how nobody is paying attention to this considering next year elections hai. Such an incredible hai India. This is a wrap. Do not forget to watch the new episode of the Gadget Wala show where Ankit Vengerlekar finds out how similar to the US, the percentage of teenagers using Facebook is down.
Why do you guys not care about Facebook?
I think I just go on Facebook like once in a month or something.
Are your mom and dad your friends on Facebook?
Yeah, that's why I never use it.
Keep coming back for a weekly dose of internet, and if you subscribe to Tech2's YouTube channel, you'll have 10 years of good luck. Toodles! And press on the bell icon.